see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work?
Today. And last to promise. Ito yung gusto ni, wala na siyang skin. Pag na-upload na siya. Grabe yung life niya. Pupuna ko, i-hold ko. Yeah, pimiento. Ayun. Good morning! Good morning guys. Today is June 11, Friday. Walang pasok yung mga bata kasi long weekend. So, aalis tayo. Pupunta tayo ng Adelaide. And kanina nakaligo na ako. And nandiyan pa rin yung towel kasi naghuhugas ako. Kasi kahapon, nag-film ako sa Chana's Kitchen. And sobrang pagod na ako kasi Halahan! Your phone is ringing! Ayaw niya pa sana maligo kasi nga may hinintay siyang tawag. Kaso ang tagal tumawag sa sarili dyan. Mamaligo na ako. So, ayan. So, sana ba ako? Kahapon nag-film ako sa Chana's Kitchen. And ginabi na ako. Nag-start ako 12. Kaso pa stop kasi ang ingay ng aso ng kapitbahay namin. Ayaw yung tumigil. Then, after nung naano siya, na tawag nun, after niya yung siguro napagod siya kahol, tumigil siya. Pag tigil niya, yung kapitbahay na yung nag-cut ng grass. So, ang ingay. So, kailangan ko mag-stop. Stop ako ng stop. So, hanggang, siguro yung tutong nag-start na talaga yung todong start, is siguro mga mag-aalas 5 na. 12 ako nag-start, nag-set up. Tapos, after ko mag-set up, siguro nahapunan, siguro mga, sabihin natin mga 2, and then yun yung aso, kahol ng kahol. And, yun. So, anyway, natapos ko yung pag-film, pero hindi ko lininis yung kusina kasi sobrang napagod ako. So, sabi ko, ngayon ko na lang hugasan yung mga ginamit ko. Ano lang naman, yung mga ginamit ko lang naman sa Chana's Kitchen. And yung tripod ko, kanina nandito yun, pero inalis na ni Jan. So, ayan, naghuhugas ako, and malapit na. And, ayan, lilinisan ko lang kasi konti lang naman yung yung kalat, yung parang yung tripod lang dito at saka yung mga maliliit kong mga gamit sa kusina na linagyan ko ng mga sangkap. Where are you, Baba? So, yun lang naman nilinis ko. Tapos, ayan, hinugasan ko. Tapos, eto, lilinisan ko. Hindi naman siya ganun kasi oil lang naman, yung parang talsik na konti. So, yun. So, alis tayo after ko maglinis and mag-i-impake pa ako. Yung sa akin na lang naman, yung sa mga bata tapos na, si Jan tapos na, yung akin lang naman. So, tapusin ko lang to and then mamaya, usap ulit tayo. Baba, say good morning!
Good morning!
Good morning! Ask them if they watch your vlog.
Do you watch my vlog?
What did you do?
I cooked banana bread.
Not cook, bake.
Bake banana bread.
Banana breads. Panoorin nyo guys, ang cute doon ni Holly. So yan, mamaya na lang, tapusin ko muna yung ginagawa ko dito. Kunin ko muna yung aking herbs. Kasi pinaarawan ko siya kaninang umaga. And diniligang ko na. So ipasok ko kasi baka makalimutan ko sila. Ito yung parsley na nabili ko. Tsaka yung mint. Kuya, can you help me please? So, ayan na yung ating herbs. Sana tumagal naman kayo kahit konti. And eto, napalitan ko na to ng tubig. Ayan. Tapos ako dito guys, maglinis sa kusina. Ayan. Pinapatuyo ko lang to. Kaya, andyan siya. And, yeah, malinis na yung kusina. So, mag-impake na ako. Nakapag-vacuum na rin ako guys. Ayan. Malinis na yung ating dining table. And, napack ko na rin yung aking mga dadalhin yung computer, tapos yung mga chargers. So, ayan, malinis. So, mag-impake na ako. Good morning ulit, guys. Good morning. Dito na kayo sa car. Punta na tayo ng labo. Yung luma ko kasi itong...
Squishy, guys.
What?
It was a squishy.
Squishy? Yes. Punta na tayo ng Adelaide. Hindi na pala good morning. 12:26 na, guys. Good afternoon na. And magstay tayong 3 nights, ha? 3 nights and 4 days kasi nga long weekend. Babalik tayo dito sa Monday.
No, yeah, 3 nights, 1 day.
Yes. Hi, Zaki boy.
1 day? No. I mean, 1 night, 3 days.
Anong 1 night, 3 days? 3
One
nights.
night, 3 days.
No, 3 nights and 4 days. Yeah. Oh my God. Alright. Mamaya na lang ulit guys. Mainit ngayon. Ay, itong araw na to, weather dito sa amin kahapon, ang lamig. Oh, watch out han. Okay, mamaya guys, meron tayong overtake ka na yan.
Hey, what case, mate?
Yeah, first stop here. Coles. Ay, yung ano ba? Yung gasolinahan. Toilet time. For Zachary and Johnny Boy. Anong oras na? 1:35. Nagbabasa ako ng mga comments nyo guys sa Chana's Kitchen. Ito yung cooking vlog si Holly ng chocolate. What did you... Baba, where are you? Ay, lumabas din siya. Ng banana bread. Yung chocolate chip banana bread. So, sana napanood nyo na rin. And salamat. Maraming salamat sa mga comments. Ang gaganda ng comments nyo guys. Maraming salamat. Thank you. Akala ko, sumama si Holly sa kila Jan. Dito pala siya guys, tulog. Makatulog ang baba natin. Yung ating baker. Ang ating baker, tulog. So, kumuha lang sila ng drinks din. Tapos, toilet. Oh! Ha? Roadworks?
Yeah.
Dito na sila. Ayan ang kanilang mga kinuhang inumin. And, Han, the girls text me what time we will be there, Han.
6 o'clock.
5.
5.
5. What's it now?
It is 1:37.
Yeah, 5.
5?
5:30.
5:30? Ang plano dapat kasi maaga kami.
about that.
Yeah,
I want
5:30.
to say
Ang plano dapat is maaga kami aalis. Hindi naging maaga kasi nga yung mga ginamit ko kagabi sa Chana's Kitchen hindi ko naligpit. Sobrang napagod ako kasi nga ano rin si Holly yun nga, nag-banana bread din siya. Tapos, inedit ko yun the next day mismo. Inedit ko siya after the next day. Then, 2 days ko kasi yun 2 days ko yun inedit kasi inedit ko siya. Tapos, after kong editing, the next day naman, nag-color grading. Wow, color grading. Mayroon kasi akong rin ako, nung binili ko yung aking laptop pala guys, hindi ko sa inyo nabanggit. The next day, tawag nun? Ano ba yung sasabihin ko? Yung tawag nun, dinownload ko rin yung Final Cut. Binili ko yung Final. Mayroon rin akong Final Cut. So, yun. In-start ko siyang gamitin nung nag-vlog, hindi. Yung una kong, yung una kong upload after 5 months. Yung bagong concept sa Chana's Kitchen. So, kaya ko yung binili rin yung aking Final Cut kasi nga, para marami akong magawa din. And I'm still learning. Hindi pa, very basic lang yung ginagawa ko doon. As in, wala pa yun na parang, sobrang sobrang nahihirapan ako ngayon mag-edit kasi nga, meron akong pinapanood na tutorial, paano to gawin, ganyan. So, kaya, nagiging 2 days ang pag-edit ko ng vlog or more sa Chana's Kitchen. Kasi nga, yun, nagko-color grading din ako. Kasi minsan, yung natural light, hindi siya ganun paiba-iba. So, minsan, finifix ko yung color dun sa, depende kung saan yung madilim, ganun. So, kaya, ang ginagawa ko, edit muna siya for 1 day. Then, the next day, pag hindi na talaga ako busy din, and kapag edit na rin ako sa isa kong channel, yun, nagko-color grading ako dun sa Chana's Kitchen. Yun lang naman sa Chana's Kitchen. Sa Chana and My Kids, hindi kasi, regular vlog lang, di ba? Yung parang, eto, nagsasalita. Doon kasi sa amin kay Holly, may mga, di ba, iba yung, iba yung concept ko doon sa pagbablog. Kaya, yun, binibigyan ko siya ng more time sa editing talaga para meron kayong mapanood na magandang cooking show talaga na para maiba naman compare sa Chana and My Kids, 'di ba? Para meron kayong i-look forward na iba dito yung editing ni Manay. And na-appreciate ko kasi napapansin niyo din. Thank you so much guys. O ayan, drive na ulit kami. Wala 3 minutes na yung pagdadadak ko dito. 3 minutes and si Holly hindi man lang nagising
What are the girls doing?
kakadaldal ko dito. Ha? No. Sige na guys, i-text ko muna yung mga girls.
What you do on a Sunday, I'm tired of all these Friday nights. And if we're through, I'll go my way. I'd like it if you stay a while. Just up in these sheets, the city of falls asleep. I'm just getting started with you. Roll me something sweet, you're tripping all over me. I can't get enough Sunday love, that's all I need. That's all I need. I can't get enough. That's all I need. I can't get enough. That's all I need. I can't get enough Sunday love. That's all I need. Where were you when I was going home alone? Now there's coffee on your white sheets instead of liquor on my tight jeans, and it's never been as easy as
Nata-traffic tayo guys kasi may roadwork you said before, Han? Yeah, may roadwork guys, and kasi nga long weekend, ang daming nagbabiyahe ngayon guys. Because of why, Han? Queen Elizabeth's birthday, kaya long weekend guys. And I keep
Quite long.
ayan, nagising si Sa si Kuya.
I wasn't asleep.
Yeah, right. Look at your eyes. I vlogged you before, Zach.
I wasn't. I was trying.
Oh,
I wasn't.
Zach, it's been like, huh?
You want me? You don't know.
I think you're dreaming.
No, I'm not dreaming.
Tingnan mo, ayun. Yeah, look at your eyes. We can tell that you
I
had a
can
good
tell, 'cause
sleep.
You're not me. You don't know.
Oh, look at you, honey.
Whatever, Jack.
Whatever, Jack. Si Kuya. Grugi ba si Kuya? Si Holly, dire-diretso yung tulog niya, oh. Zach, did you have a good sleep?
No, because I didn't go to sleep.
Ay. Ewan ko sa'yo, Zach, ayaw niya talagang magpatalo. Nakatulog siya, guys. Blinag ko siya. Ayan, roadwork.
Mom, we had
No,
Yeah.
not yet. Almost.
we had to wait for 5 minutes to come past this
Before?
on the way to Adelaide.
Last weekend.
Yeah.
Okay. Kasi last weekend, di ba, pumunta rin sila dito. Hanggang ngayon, ganyan pa rin.
Guys, we're here at Key having lunch. I'm gonna get some sushi.
Dito na tayo, guys, sa Kiss. Oh, you're lucky. It's not what you want. What's this? Vegetarian. You want that? No, okay. Si Kuya gusto niya salad. Caesar salad. Ang tagal kong hindi nakapag-chicken, guys. Ilang buwan din. Thank you. Thank you. See you later. Guys, ito yung mga nabili ko sa dun sa shop. Hindi tayo dito kakain. Kakain tayo sa car. And alam niyo ba si Holly? Ayun. Tulog pa rin siya. Wala yung gusto ni Kuyang salad, tsaka yung wrap. So, kinuhaan ko na lang sila ng sandali lang.
I
Wait
wouldn't
lang.
have much left, Mark. Some of these fell out.
Yeah, wala nang masyado. Wala rin yung ni Shaq.
Huh?
Pagkain niya. Yeah,
See?
vegetarian.
Nothing, mate.
Kasi long weekend nga, so maraming nagta-travel. Wala nang masyadong natira. No, there's none. Ang kinuha ko ay
Run in the
This one, Han. Alam niyo na to.
Cincinnati and get
Ham salad.
say John.
And eto, save some for Holly. Cold salad, guys. Ito yung, ayan.
Let's walk.
Yeah, I do have 4. And I got dim sim. Nasa yung dim sim? No, this is not. Yeah, ayan. Yan yung tatlo nito. Save 1 for Holly, please.
No.
Yes, that's 3. Just save 1 for Holly. You got potato. Ito, potato cake.
Yeah, I'll have that.
Oh, save for Holly, please. And bumili lang ako ng dalawang chicken kasi nga dito kayo sa kakain. So ayan, chicken ribs, and may dala akong chicken, guys.
What
Yung
from Catherine?
may tira pa nung may tira. Yeah, that's for Zach. And what you call that? May dala akong chicken. May tira pa kasi yung chicken na niluto ko kagabi sa Chana's Kitchen. Mamaya nasa likodan dyan kay Kuya. And chips. Ayan, and gravy. Bumili ako ng gravy, pero paano natin ito makakain ng gravy? Ayan, may gravy tayo, guys. So, kain muna kami. Dito kayo kumain sa car kasi gagabihin kami sa daan. Ayaw namin gabihin sa daan. Pag nag-stop kami doon, tapos maglalaro pa yung mga bata. Sabi ni Jan, sa car na lang tayo kakain. Then, drive diretso. So, yun, guys. Kain muna kami. Sayang, naiwan ko sa bahay. Akala ko nadala ko. Linagay ko na siya sa ziplock. Naiwan ko siya sa bahay, guys. Sayang, masarap pa naman yun. Yung ginawa ko sa Chana's Kitchen. Sayang. Sayang, naiwan ko yung chicken. Sarap pa naman yun. Tsaka crunchy pa siya. Kasi yung may sauce, yung nalagyan ko ng sauce, syempre hindi siya magiging crunchy. Meron na hindi nalagyan nung binuhusan ko siya ng sauce. The next day, sobrang crunchy niya pa talaga. Sayang, hindi ko nadala. Tapos na akong kumain, and ayan yung bakas ng ating mga buto-buto.
You can have it later.
And si Holly, ayan, kagigising lang. And nag-stop pala kami dito sa Tintinara kasi kuha lang ng drink si Jan at
Oh.
toilet break. What's that, Zach? And si Holly, ayaw yung kumain. Kumain kasi siyang kumain siyang breakfast eh. At saka, kanina kumain din siya. What did you eat, Baba? Chips?
Right, I haven't had
What
a
did you
chip
have
yet.
before?
I haven't had a chip yet.
No, was there nothing?
I did nothing.
Yes, I saw you eating here inside the car.
That was
Chisel. So, that's a chips.
cheese balls.
Cheese balls. So, kumain siyang cheese balls kanina.
I didn't know there were
Huh?
cakes here.
Pardon?
But what's your cake?
That's yours, Baba. You were asleep when we got
That
that.
was cake. That was cake.
Have some. You want potato cake? No, okay. Later na lang.
Go back to
Hey, Dad, you had the food
dito na
bag?
sila. Ayan, nagpakuha akong Coke.
Piece of shit.
Oh, hindi
I got the macadagi.
What's, si Kuya, kumain na siya, di ba kanina? Ayan, makadog.
I got food.
Coke. Sabi ko, gusto kong malamig ng Coke.
What do you want, Holly?
Ang lakas mo talaga, Kuya, kumain. You're a big eater, Kuya. Baba! Pagod yung baker ko. Oh, you're so tired, Baba. Baba. Tulala pa rin siya.
Holly, you want noodles?
You want noodles, Baba? Cold noodles? No, thank you. Oh, wala pa siya sa mood, guys. Thanks, Kuya.
What you do on a Sunday, I'm tired of all these Friday nights. And if we're through, I'll go my way. I'd like it if you stay a while. Just up in these sheets, the city and fall asleep. I'm just getting started. I can't get enough Sunday love. That's all I need. Where were you when I was going home alone? Now there's coffee on your white sheets instead of liquor on my tight jeans. And it's never been as easy as when you're lying with me. I just up in these sheets, the city I fall asleep. I'm just getting started with you. Roll me something sweet, you're dripping all over me. I can't get enough Sunday love. That's all I need. That's all I need. I can't get enough. That's all I need. I can't get enough. That's all I need. I can't get enough Sunday love. That's all I need. Don't stop, don't stop, don't stop, don't stop. Don't stop, don't stop, don't stop. 'Cause I can't get enough. Don't stop, don't stop, don't stop. Don't stop, don't stop, don't stop. 'Cause I can't get enough. Don't stop, don't stop, don't stop. I can't get enough Sunday love. That's all I need. I can't get enough.
Guys, update 4:47 and ang lakas ng ulan dito. Where are we, Han? Where are we? Mount Barker. Malapit na raw kayo sa Mount Barker, guys. Kung saan namin kinuha yung coffee machine ni Johnny Boy. So, 4:48. Mag-alas 5 na. Okay. Pin-off ko lang yung music niya. Okay, Han. I'm good. Turn it on.
How much was the coffee machine?
Diba? Ang labo.
Now he's
Nakita-
keeping up. Daddy probably stopped because he didn't have a bull bar and it would damage his car. Now he keeps
Nag-film ako under the tunnel, diba? And then, muntik namin mabangga yung likod ng nasa harapan namin kasi ano yung tunnel yun, so syempre dire-diretso ka, bigla siyang nag-brake, tapos kami din syempre si Jan nag-brake din, sabi niya, what's going on, tapos yun, na-off ko yung camera kasi nanginginig ako kasi akala ko may hit namin yung car, yung pala yung sa unahan niya rin nag-stop kasi mayroong koala na nasa gitna.
Dad.
Oh my God, grabing kaba ko. Ang laki pa naman ng koala. Tapos yung iba rin, doon sa likod ata namin, maririnig mo yung brake na parang basta maririnig nyo yung biglang nag-brake din sila kasi yung car din namin, baka ma-hit nila. Kasi syempre, yung tunnel yun, syempre, dire-diretso ka talaga kasi ang ganda ng flow ng nung patakbo nung nasa harapan namin. Bigla siyang nag-brake. Oh my God. May kita nyo yun, bigla kong na-stop yung camera kasi akala ko talaga, ma-hit na namin yung kunti na lang, buti na lang talaga na ni Jan, yung brake namin, ang galing, talagang na-stop niya, muntik na talaga. What happened, sa?
There was a koala running.
I know, may koala sa under the tunnel, as in.
I never saw a koala in the tunnel.
Ha?
Are we
Nasa side kasi ni Sak. Nanginginig yung kamay ko. Well, kita nyo, oh.
Mom,
Ah,
are we the only? Does Australia?
nasa side ni
Does
Sak.
other countries and islands have koalas?
Oh, that's a good question. I'm not sure.
No one in the world
Have koala?
except
Australia.
Australia have kangaroos.
Yeah, cat. That's Australia.
Shush.
What?
A fair bit of mayhem. I nearly had a
Accident.
There's some nearly accidents going on. People just coming up behind you and slamming on the
Yeah.
brakes. So you better get straight onto that one.
Oh, yeah, they're on it. They're
No.
nearly there.
Ah.
Oh,
How
good.
far into the tunnel is it?
Just as you come into it and you start turning right, that's where it all started happening. So it's just up a bit at the start there, coming into Adelaide. Yep.
Yep. All right, thanks.
No worries.
See you
ya.
later.
See ya.
Oh,
Was
diyan
that-
pa lang tumawag. Hindi
That
may,
one-
akala ko may
is
tumatawag si
that
Jan.
100?
No,
That RIA?
What's that, Han?
that was police assist.
Ha?
They were already onto it.
Okay. Oh, kasi grabe. As in, nakala namin, aksidente na talaga kami.
That was that.
So, tinawagan na ni Jan kasi yung sa, talaga, magkukos ng accident. Kasi, syempre, tanin yun, dire-diretso ka, wala yung stoplight. Syempre, dire-diretso ka lang. Kami talaga, muntik na naming mabangga yung sa harapan namin. Kasi dire-diretso lang kami. Tapos yung sa likod namin, muntik rin kaming mabangga kasi rin sila, bigla rin sila nag-brake eh. Kasi yung patakbo mo, normal lang din naman talaga under the tunnel. Kasi yun nga, yung koala. Na-stop ko lang yung camera. Hindi ko masyado kasi natakot ako na sinisigaw ako na si Jan. Sabi ko,
Jungles.
oh my God! Grabe, first time namin yun.
How do you know, Bubba?
Thanks, Sonny, for ringing them.
Because I hold it close.
Whatever, Pep. Thank you, because it's true na magkukos siya ng
Well, I'm looking
accident.
behind me and watching these cars come.
Yeah, it's gonna hit our car.
Oh no, that's why I got out of there.
That's why, may hit talaga yung car, me. Makakahit kami ng car, may hit pa yung car namin. Talaga yung, parang yung nakita namin sa it's like what happened in Melbourne, remember that? Like, one
Well, that's how
car
it starts. Probably wouldn't be surprised if there was a crash in the tunnel and all. So, yeah, from that.
Don't say that.
Well, they're coming around that quick and bang,
I know.
and then it's going to bank up, and then they're going to come around. It's going to be too late.
Yes.
That's why I got out of there. I wasn't hanging around.
Papunta na raw yung
Yeah.
magtatanggal ng ang koala. Kasi ang laki ng koala. Kawawa naman yung kung masagasaan siya dun. Tapos magkukos talaga siya ng accident din dun. Kaya, ayun, sabi may papunta na raw. Tumawag si Jan.
Why would
May
he do
papunta
that
na
to his
raw.
car?
That's right. That's dangerous. But if it was me, I wouldn't jam your brakes on.
My God, I'm so
Well, you can't.
scared.
You just got to run over it.
Yeah?
That'd cause a big accident if you stopped and then the car hit you, and then you just got to hit it.
Really?
Yeah.
O sabi ni Jan, kung siya yun, i-hit niya na lang kasi
Kangaroo, koala, whatever it is.
magkukos daw ng ng accident. Pero at least yung isa, nagmanage siyang hindi. Kasi dito, kahit yung kangaroo, hindi ka, kung kailangan mo siya banggain mo na lang kaysa iwasan mo siya kasi ikaw yung ma-aksidente ng iniwasan mo yung kangaroo. Tapos pag iwas mo, malaking puno yung mababangga mo. Yun, sabi ni Jan sa akin, that's what you told me, right? If I see a kangaroo, just run it over?
Brake, but don't
Brake?
swerve. Just hit it.
Brake.
If you hit it,
Oh,
Too
they
bad.
break. They break.
Yeah, I know. And look what happened. Nearly had an accident.
And the koala's too small.
But before you told me if it's the kangaroo nearly to my car, I just have to.
Yeah, hit it. If you swerve, you can roll the car and you die. I'd rather kangaroo die than me.
Yun.
Simple as that.
Oh, kasi pag nag-brake kang bigla or nag-swirl ka, ikaw yung ma-aksidente. So, it's rather daw na banggain mo na lang yung kangaroo. Kasi sa amin, maraming kangaroos, guys.
Dad,
Pauwi na
I remember on the way to Melbourne,
What's that?
we're nearly at Hamilton.
Yeah,
You swerved.
I know.
You serious?
Yeah, but I seen it, but I didn't swerve. I just went out and around.
I was like
I
this.
didn't go like that.
I was-
That's when you crash. When you jerk it, you
Like, Mum, I was
Kasi
like
yun ang
this.
mga
went out
nangyayari.
like that and then back around like that.
Yeah. So, dapat wag daw i-swirl. Yes,
I was
yeah?
like this, like that, and then he went like that, and I went.
Yeah. So, dapat daw, pag may ganon, dapat diretsuin mo na lang. Wag mong i-swirl. Wait, wag mong i-swirl yung car mo kasi ikaw yung ma-aksidente. Kaya mababangga mo yung kung ano man. Ikaw yung ma-aksidente. Yes, ah? Why your arms up?
I thought that was a puppy, a fluffy gray puppy that went out of that guy's car.
I know. You said a puppy.
Yeah, a
Akala,
puppy,
akala niya aso or puppy na nakalabas sa car. Yes?
a puppy would be cute.
Yes. Kangaroo is cute too.
They have Joey's.
Joey and koala are cute too. Okay guys. Dito na kami sa ano guys. Oh. Dito na tayo sa Adelaide. Wala, 5 minutes na to. Where? No vacant. No more room. Full sila ngayon guys. Yan, no vacancy. Oh. Full dito ngayon. Dito na tayo guys. Tinawagan lang to ni Jan. Buti na lang meron pa para sa amin. Guys, dito na tayo sa room. Ayan. And nashock kami kasi nung pag-ring ni Jan, pagtanong niya kung mayroon pa, sabi niya, titingnan niya raw. And then, nung pag-check-in niya, sabi niya, what? We got number 17. How did you get this? Sabi niya dun sa owner, don't worry, we look after you. Kasi etong, hotel na to, diba? Dito kami lagi. So, inaano niya kami, yung parang nilulook after niya kami. So, ayun, nakuha natin number 17. Ito yung favorite na room ng mga bata because of alarms na spa. Okay, come on. So, ibababa lang namin yung mga gamit namin. Ha? There, under there. And, punta tayo sa bahay ni Kat. Doon tayo magdi-dinner, guys. Nag-order. Ano na lang kami, take away. Take away Filipino food. So, mamaya
pizza.
Yeah, you are. But the girls were having Filipino food. Sa bagong restaurant daw yun ng Filipino. So, we'll see guys mamaya. Ibaba lang na. Sila palang bumababa. Yung akin lang yung kinuha. Are you helping? Where's your jacket, Baba? It's cold now. Ay, si Zerky po. Okay, kuya. Good job, Baba. Good job.
There's my flower one.
Okay, come on. Okay, alis na tayo, guys. Okay, wala na iwan. On na yung ating heater. Han, do I have to turn off the light? The light? It's alright? Okay. You have the... Which one? Traffic doon sa kabila. And nag-worry kami pag uwi namin baka wala kaming maparkan sa loob ng hotel kasi nga full sila. So, we'll see later. Tanda tayo kila Kat. Anong oras na ba? 6:09. Nag-text na rin si Race. Papunta na rin sila kila Kat. And kami 40 minutes away pa kami. Plus traffic. Guys, dito na kami. Kila Kat. Wala pa. Dito nakapark. And pinick up namin yung pizza. Hindi ako nakapag-vlog doon kasi nagro-rosary ako, no? Pinick up namin to. Pero 8 minutes pa naghintay kasi maaga yung namin, yung pagdating. Where's Tita Kathy's house? Tingnan mo. Tingnan nyo siya. Dala niya si Mushi at saka si Pokemon. Ayan na yung pizza, guys. How many pizza? 3?
3.
Large?
What
And...
do you got to order yours yet?
Yeah. Nag-text si Kat sa akin, hindi ko na-replyan kasi nga nagro-rosary ako. Careful, Baba, careful.
Hi guys.
Hello. Hello.
Hi, Kuya.
Bakit ganyan?
Bati kami. Bati ganyan. Bati mo na.
Bago. Hi. Hi. Hoy, alam mo ba, overuse ko yung medyas mo. Kasi yan, siya lang yung... Siya lang yung tamang-tama dyan sa shoes ko. Ayun nga, hindi ko rin alam. Oo. Ayun nga.
Hindi pa kayo ng drinks. May drinks.
Bakit? Bawal?
Yung pabango mo, linako. Ang muna.
Ayaw ni Kat yung amoy. Sensitive siya. Very strong para sa kanya. Bibigyan niya na sa akin. Kasi gutom na siya. So, ayan na yung boys. Pizza sila, guys. Ayan. Wala na. Parang ang sarap nito, oh. Is it marinara, Han? You got marinara? Margarita, sorry. Margarita. Si Sak, oh, wow, Sak. Hindi ko napakita sa inyo yung kanyang OOTD ni Sak, ang cute. What? Ay, careful with your clothes. Ayan na, guys.
Kaya nga, kanina pa kayo siya nag-text na gutom na siya, di ba?
Oo. Nandun sa, nasa doktor pa lang siya. Nag-text na siya, gutom na siya. So, eto guys, yung sa
Ano nga siya? Conchero.
Filipinos, Filipino na siya?
Juan Cusinero.
Juan Cusinera?
Cusinero?
Cusinero. Sorry naman. Pwede naman Cusinera. Ako Cusinero siya. Are busy na rin siya. Are you eating, Baba?
Gosh, I'm hungry.
Ayan, meron tayong barbecue sisig and puchero. And dinuguan.
Yeah, masarap yung ginagawa rin si...
Muna sa linya.
Oh, rice mo.
Thank you.
Buntis na.
Buntes.
Maganda.
Wow!
Miss mo ng rice?
Ano lang yan? Kunwari lang yan, guys. Kunwari
Ganyan
lang.
karami, pero...
Mga sampung
balik-balik.
takad. Thank you, Lord. Veggies tayo, veggies.
Wow.
Panindigan mo yung walang rice. Pero grabe sakto mo naman ba?
Hindi ko kaya.
Hindi ko kaya. Sumasakit ng ulo ko. Mainit ang ulo ko. Tapos nakikita ko si Kuya. Ilang araw hindi nakapag-rice si Kuya. Galit na rin si Kuya. Ma'am, can I have rice?
Kasi kapag nagluto
like,
ka, mapapakain
Ito lang kasi ko, no, you're having mashed potato. I don't like mashed potato. Now you will try to like it.
So, kumain-kain ka din ng mashed potato?
Hindi, wala masyad.
What you do on a Sunday, I'm tired of all these Friday nights. And if we're through, I'll go my way. I'd like it if you stay a while.
Cute nila kanina ba? Inaabot niyo si Tito dyan, oh.
Who is that ba?
Long time no see. Sabi niya.
Parang sinipalo.
Tapos na si Ray, tsaka sikat kumain ako, hindi pa guys. Kasi hinto ako. And dessert na yung mga bata, ice cream. Andun kay Tito nila.
Ice cream! Ice cream! Ice cream!
Do you just want pencil creamer?
Papa. Baba, what you got?
Dessert na si Bante.
Healthy ang dessert niya.
No one's left.
Yummy? Did you say thank you to Tito Neil?
Nagtitinda ng ice cream.
Ayan. Si Holly naka 1 minute and 90. Si Holly naka 1 minute and 19 seconds. So gustong ano yun ni Sak? Oh no! 23 seconds.
Ganda. Tagal sa'yo na
How about you, Kuya?
Which one? Solo ko?
Yeah, anything's fine.
I have here. This is my bag.
Okay.
So which one?
Okay. Yung kay Holly naputol na. So, bibilan namin siya ng bagong hula hoop.
Nasaan na yun? Ito na.
May dala siyang balot, guys. Yung Simple Race. Ilan to? 10, 10. Wow.
Ano, iba?
Pampatibay ng...
Tubo yan, di ba?
Oo, tuhod. Grabe, ang init ka. Nga. Oo, talaga siya talaga.
May kumang galaw.
Wow! Uy, mali naman yung crack.
Ha?
Ang crack niya.
Dapat ano? Kitang-kita yung puti, oh! Huwag sa puti ikaw.
Sabi niya.
Sa gilid.
No, kapalik na. Nainit kasi. Feeling mo, ano lang yan?
Ayan na.
Oo.
Ayan.
Mali.
Kaya nga mali nga ang maganda marunong to.
Init ka.
Uy, mapapasa yung lips mo sa kainit ng shell.
Mali naman yung pagbuka sabi ni Kat.
Inano kasi baka hindi pa luto. Tama
Tama
yun.
tayo.
Luto pala, luto. Nakita naman yung puti. Ano ba hindi luto? Kanina pa to doon? Oh my gosh! Uy, balot talaga siya.
Siyempre,
Akala ko maalam. Hindi, balot talaga siya.
Ilang days na siya?
Sobrang dami nilagay namin asin.
Ang init. 17.
17 days?
Yes,
Meron na siyang ano.
What you do on a Sunday, I'm tired of all these Friday nights. And if we're through, I'll go my way. I'd like it if you stay a while. Just up in these sheets.
This one, you wanna try the soup? Just the soup, Baba.
Duck.
Just the soup, duck egg.
No, it's not. It's hot. Just the soup. Oh, ate mo na maamoy na inamoy na kasi lahat ng pagkain.
Natikman niya na ba ito?
Oh, for 100 pounds. Bayaran sa 100 pounds. Ito ang ibig sabihin, 100 peso. Grabe naman ito. May tutorial. I can see.
Hindi.
Parang
Nakatingin na.
lumot na ito grabe siya talaga. Ano ito? Zoology? Ay, nagda-dissect na kayo.
Ano naman? Ano yan? Hot?
Sa kanya, tingnan mo, binabite-bite niya talaga kalo kanya.
Hindi ako pagkumain sila. Asan ba ito?
It's the city of fall asleep. I'm just getting started with you. Roll me something sweet. You're tripping all over me. I can't get enough Sunday love. That's all I need. That's all I need.
Breakfast daw yung yung natira na. May isa lang na natira sa 10 na. Tatlo.
Grabe, yung ganat na
Oh, balot. Uwian na guys. Ay, yung sili ko. Akin na to. Kasi, and then, uwian na guys. Bukas. Na kami bukas kami kikita ulit tayo bukas, no? Dinner kami. Dinner.
Sa Italian restaurant.
Natuloy ba tayo sa Italian? Italian?
I know, just kidding. Joke.
Na-cancel daw yun eh.
Ay, kasi
19
ba naman tayo sa labas?
Kaya sobrang lamig. I-winter na guys. May mga baka. Oh, kaya kinancel pala siya. Masarap sana din dun eh.
Ang dami kasi.
Ang lakas ni Holly! Lakas mo, mama. So cute. You're so strong. Look at her hand. Quick, honey. You seen it? Okay. Ang tagal ha? Baba? Oh. Ang cute. See you tomorrow. Nag-stop kami dito sa service station, guys. Kuha lang ng drinks. And anong oras na? 11:19 na, guys. 40 minutes away to yung Kilakat. So, maya pa tayo. Ayan, tig-isa silang Lipton na yung peach ang flavor. Tapos malaking rice. Kasi kumarang ko ng rice. Tubig, tapos 2 coffee. How many? 3?
2.
Two coffee. Okay. Sarap? Good? Tig-isa talaga sila, oh. Good, Baba? Close na kaya namin i-close ko na yung vlog, guys. Kasi pagdating namin, lang sila, magpupunas and bed. So, yun na guys yung vlog natin for today. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on our next vlog. Good night. Good night, Han. Good night. Good night, guys. Good night. Thank you.
Who you see, 'cause I think